We're just weeks away from the anticipated release date of the GoPro Hero 11 Black, and as that date gets closer and closer, we're going to get more and more leaks and a better idea of what they have planned. We've heard a lot about the GoPro Hero 11, but there's one product that we haven't heard much about, and I'm going to make a bold prediction at the end of this video, and we'll see if I'm right. The leak this week comes from Roland Quant, a recognized source for accurate insider info. He tweeted what he claims to be the official marketing pics for the Hero 11. Let's check them out. Okay, well, it's the same body style as the Hero 10. That's good news if you have a whole bunch of Hero 10 accessories, so now you know you won't have to throw them out and get a whole new batch of things. It's bad news if you really want a GoPro to do something revolutionary or do something disruptive. For several months, people have been speculating about maybe changes to the body or these features that are on their wish list of what they want to see. And there was three that were pretty common when people are looking for what they want to see in the next GoPro. And we'll see how we did for these three items. First thing, an edge-to-edge touchscreen, wireless charging, maybe a 1/4-inch thread base mount. So it looks like all of GoPro's improvements are going to be under the hood. So we still have a good chance of seeing 5.7 to 6K resolution, seeing 240 frames per second 4K slow-mo, and hyper smooth 5.0. All three of those things are still in the running and pretty likely. We're hearing a lot about the Hero 11, but there's one product that we haven't heard much about, and that's the Max. It's been almost 3 years since the Max was released, so it seems like we're overdue for a refresh or a Max 2, especially since Insta360 is getting a lot of praise for its video quality and its software. So I'm going to make a bold prediction. GoPro is going to announce the Max 2 alongside the Hero 11 in a couple of weeks. We'll see if I'm right. Now that we know the latest from GoPro, you don't want to miss the big leaks coming out of DJI. Check out this video here.